Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and today I'm going to do a style that was really popular in the 90s. Drew Barrymore made it famous, probably the most popular picture you'll see like on TikTok with the grunge, and it's the curly hair she had, and then she popped on that leather jacket and she just looks so hot. But not everybody has that curly hair, and you don't have to get a perm. I'm going to show you this cool way to get it, and yeah, I hope you try it out. Let's check it out. So these are the curlers that you want to use. So they're like 80s kind of things. And we use these for different things when we do movies out here. You would use this probably for a Western, like to get really tight curls. So we're going to do them differently to get the effect that Drew Barrymore has with her hair. And I'll show you. So what I'm going to do is get together all the stuff I need. Today what I need is the curlers, of course, which are heating up. And this is a hair mist. Just spray the ends there. And this is for later. It's just an oil. And this is texture spray for later. And the Olaplex number 9 is what I'm going to use to get the curls I want. And it's just because my hair is flyaway. Now this is an example of what you would get if you put the ends in for this curl. And so you don't want to do that. Her look has like kind of a straight end to it. I'm just gonna move that back there. Okay. So I'm using the number 9 just to keep my hair together because it kind of frays out like that.
Now with these, they're kind of tricky. You can kind of like keep that end out and loosely roll it, not super tight, just loose. And it looked like her hair is curly up the top. So if you still have some knots, you gotta do all that. I'm just gonna leave that end out and loosely roll it, but you do have to kind of like fasten that end with the curling motion. And I'm gonna keep everything straight across. So after I'm done that front part, I'm just looking at my hair here. And I'm just going to do a couple in here. Well, I only have 2 of the wide ones left, so I'm going to make this section a little bit bigger. Oops. This one I kind of just wound around. I'm not super picky about it because the style is so free, but these back pieces are so long, that's the best way to, oh, I don't need one back here. That's the best way to do it. I don't totally need one back here, but I'm going to put something. Yeah, so that shows you how I'm less concerned about all that. Okay, so that was about 10 minutes. While my hair is tucked away, I'm going to use this Philip B oil. It's like a serum, I should say. It's just like serum. And use it on the rest of my hair down here. So this is the product that I'm going to use to style my other hairs. So let's take this down and see what we got. Ooh, it's always tighter on the ends and not as good because the other hairs will fall over that. And it is like a curl that needs to be separated with product. So you want to keep it going with your serum. And you want to pick it out. These are fantastic up here. Just great. It's exactly what you want. Love it. while these are tweaking out, you're gonna have that. This is just a little spray. Little texture spray.
So now we have our mixed up curls, which is really cool. And to get it more grungy, I'm going to use more serum. So more serum. You just kind of want to keep going until you get it kind of wet looking. Some people used gel in the 90s. That was kind of like what we used, but I think, like, you know, serum works just as good. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely grungy enough for me. Yeah, I totally love the word fairy grunge, and I really think that this fits it because it's a little bit more ethereal than some of the other looks. So give it a try. These are not expensive. I mean, the different kinds like them aren't. I'm sure this one's pricey because it's babyless, but definitely try this. It's so much fun. Oh, and please like and subscribe. I hope you do. You can see this so much better with my iPhone, so I just sort of switched over.